Hello. I know it's been a while, like a week, maybe. Um, but hi. Happy to see you all, sort of, in my mind. Not sort of happy, but sort of in my mind. I don't know what I'm saying. So we're off to a great start. Um, so day 17-ish of being in the house with my husband and my son and our two dogs. And our house is very small. We have 864 square feet, and then we have a screened in porch, which also operates as like another room ish, kind of. So, the way we've kind of fallen into splitting up the house between us is Mr. Rosenberg either takes the front room or the living room or the dining room for work because he's working from home. Bob will usually be in his bedroom. The two of them kind of will be on the back porch sometimes. The dogs usually follow me around wherever I'm going, and I generally have a command center set up here. You can see, yeah, there's all my stuff. It's everything I need. And sorry, that didn't go well. Now I've messed it up. Okay, hold on. More great content on the way. Oh my God. Okay, so what just happened is sort of how everything is going right now. And I'll be honest, a lot of time I've spent just staring into the middle distance. It's like I can't quite wrap my brain around what's going on right now in the world. And I've had a hard time reading. Like I can't concentrate. But this week, I do want to finish this book, Seven Husbands of Evelyn Hugo, because it's really good. But I just haven't been able to do it, but I'm going to make myself. One of the things I started doing yesterday was I realized that time is just going by. It's Groundhog Day every day, and I would get to the end of the day and not even know what happened, couldn't remember doing anything of substance, which doesn't mean I actually am ever doing anything of substance, but I started keeping a journal. So this one, the cover of it says, "Working hard at killing it all day, every day." That's what I'm doing. I'm killing it. So I started a little journal of just stuff I do during the day. And I'll tell you, as I sort of list, I do it in a list style, and the list is very internet, coffee, internet, mended a dress, coffee, internet, talked to Karen on the phone, texted with Jen, internet, coffee. So you'll see there are some themes. I will say one thing about this whole situation is having a little time, or a lot of time, all the time in the world, to pause and think about my friends and loved ones who maybe I don't get to talk to as much. And I've been able to text and email with people like my Uncle Jim, who's 90, I don't know what, and one of my cousins, it's her birthday today, and I have many, many, many cousins, and this is a cousin I'm very close to, and so I got to reach out and talk with her today, and that's kind of nice. It's a nice excuse. Not that you need an excuse to say hi, how you doing, but sometimes having an excuse helps. So, killing it. Anyway, it helps a little bit. Just the journal. I used to keep a journal all the time. like from grade school through my 20s, I kept a journal, and I have a huge box of journals, which are sometimes interesting to look through. But since my memory is not great, it's kind of interesting to have journals written that I know I wrote, but I don't know who I'm talking about or what's going on as I read it. People that were so important to me that I would, refer to them by their first name only, and now I can't really place who they are in my memory. Anyway, but interesting to see a progression as I skim through the journals. But anyway, this journal's a little different. This is the try to keep your head screwed on to your neck during this weird global sitch. So another thing I wanted to mention, my friend Karen started a YouTube channel. She's doing Tiki Talk with Karen, and on YouTube you can go to Karen with a K, Peterson, O-N, Peterson, and she has this lovely tiki hut in her backyard that was there when they moved in, I guess, and they have it in a nice tiki style. And there's bamboo out there and tiki heads. What are they called? Anyway, so she sits out there, and yesterday with her first video, she talked about basically about gratitude, and it's great, and she's lovely, and you should definitely go look, and I will link her channel in the description box below. So there's that. Also, I got a new box from Book of the Month Club like weeks ago, and I haven't opened it because things have been weird. Usually, like, I can't wait to open it. And as usual, I can't remember what the book of the month is, but I do remember that because I didn't like one of my books and I gave it sort of a frowny face review, they gave me a credit for another book for free, which I thought was really awesome of the Book of the Month Club. So not necessarily an unboxing video, but kind of. It is, but not really. Okay. Oh, here they are in more plastic. Can't remember what I got. Okay, I got Writers and Lovers. Can you see it? Which I've been reading a lot about. That's supposed to be really good. I've been reading great things about it. I'm trying to open it. Hold on. I want to be able to show you. Oh, I'm not prepared. Hold. Please hold. Here we go. I got it. Here it is. Writers and Lovers by Lily King. Super excited about it. And this just looked fun. The Two Lives of Lydia Bird. This looks like a quick read, like watching a Hallmark Channel movie or something. That's just the vibe I get from the cover. Anyway, that's exciting. So, but first, I gotta finish this one. It's good. I'm already telling you it's good. So what else do I need to say? I hope you guys are all doing okay and not getting too stir crazy. I'm wildly introverted, so staying home is fine for me. But so I don't mind that I'm not leaving the house much. The thing that gets to me more is trying to understand what's really happening out there, and the analytics behind everything are crazy, and I try not to watch too much news. I figure if something crazy is happening, I will find out at some point, something crazier, any new updates. So, trying to keep away from the news, you know, cooking a lot and cleaning a little. But I hope this finds you healthy and doing okay. And if you have some more free time now in your house, that you're enjoying it. You know, why not? The alternative is not as fun. So anyway, I will touch base with you later. Like, comment, subscribe, as they say. I'll say it just like they. And I wish you a really good week, day, and week.